Money can't buy happiness, but it will get you a better class of memories. What's up, millionaires in the making? I'm your host, Ty Aarons, and welcome to part 2 of the Financial Empowerment 101 series. Back in part 1, we uncovered your financial past. Today, we flip the script and we talk about how to start generating income, not just surviving, but so we can be thriving. We're millionaires in the making. We want to make our lives a reality. We want to make our dream lives a reality. Because if you're serious about wealth and freedom and legacy, all of that starts with income. Money isn't just about luxury. It's about options. It's about freedom. And it all begins with one small thing: cash flow. Think of income like oxygen for your financial life. No matter how great your goals are, without consistent income, you can't breathe financially. A strong income does three things. First thing that it does is it will reduce your daily stress. The second thing it does, it funds your savings and your dream. And the third thing is it prepares you for life's curveballs. Like when life gets crazy and things go left when you thought they'd be going right, having some cash flow kind of makes it a lot easier. All right. So let me ask you, are you earning enough to fund your vision? If not, then this video is for you. Now let's kill the myth. There is no one size fits all path to making money. In fact, income should be seen as a toolbox. Each tool serves a different purpose depending on the job that you're trying to get done. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Tool number one, employment. This is your job, your 9 to 5, your paycheck. It's stable, it's predictable, but it often trades time for money, something we don't want to be doing for a very long time at all. We want to get out of that as quickly as possible, right? But it's where many of us start: employment. Tool number two, freelancing or side hustle. This is where skills meet opportunity. You have to have the skills to make this a reality. Maybe it's tutoring, maybe it's coaching, maybe it's photography, maybe it's meal prepping, maybe it's personal training. Whatever skills you have, you can go into the market, share those tools and skills with other people, and start making bank quickly. Now, this is flexible, it's scalable, but it requires hustle. It requires self-management. You got to be a go-getter, right? I remember my first side hustle. It's so funny. Back when I was like, I don't know, 14, 15, it was Ty's Odd Jobs, right? I went to the local library. I designed a little flyer, printed it off. I made a Tumblr website. I don't know if you guys still use Tumblr or not. I had my little Tumblr website with a QR code, and no one understood what a QR code was at the time. I went around the neighborhood, posted up Ty's Odd Jobs. No job is too big. No job is too small. Ty's Odd Jobs. We do them all. And I was making money. I was making about $450 a day as a teenager, just doing my side gigs, right? Side hustles. So it's great, but it really takes that self-management. I know that you can definitely do it if you want to. So the next tool is a business. Tool number three. This is where you build something once and you get paid over and over and over. Think of things like e-commerce, like service businesses, online programs. You build a system that works for you even while you sleep. And system stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. This is what a system is supposed to do for you. When we're building out whatever system it may be, we're looking to build with people. The system is having people, having softwares, and whatever else you need so that the business keeps on chugging along. Whether you're in the business working on it or you take a vacation for 8 weeks, doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing, your business is still going. That's tool number three. Tool number four, passive income and investments. This is the long game. This is things like real estate, like dividend stocks, like royalty income from your intellectual property. Maybe you wrote something, you shared something, you're getting royalties off it forever. It can be digital products. Passive income doesn't necessarily mean no work at all. It means it's front loaded. All the effort is front loaded and you reap the long-term rewards later on. Okay. This is something like this video. This is ideally the goal is to have it be passive income in the future. I want to keep on giving you guys value forever, whether I'm here or not. Heck, I could die tomorrow, but you guys still have this video to learn from. So you don't need to master all of these today, but you do need to know which tool matches your current goals. And it might not just be one tool. It might be a blend of a couple different tools to help you get to where you want to get to. Most of us are going to start off working a job. Maybe some of us start by creating our own side hustle instead of a job. A lot of us want to move from this job category over to be business owners and investors because this is where your money is infinite. Now, here's why most people never unlock new income streams. They only rely on one income stream, and when it dries up, they panic. They didn't even think of getting new income streams or developing whatever they could. And as soon as something happens, whether it's layoffs, whether the economy crashes and they're like, oh my God, my business is not doing as well, they start to freak out. They start to look everywhere for money, and they don't succeed. Right? They rely on one stream. The second thing is they never upgrade their skills so they can stay well, so they will end up staying underpaid. So you want to constantly be upgrading your skills, constantly be learning more, constantly having your finger on the pulse of what's happening in society, what's happening with AI, tech, et cetera, et cetera. A lot of people do not. In fact, I think there's a statistic. You guys write in the comments if I'm wrong, but they say that once people graduate from high school, they may never read another book again. Once people graduate from like education in general, they may never pick up another book and read it. It's crazy. If you're not upgrading your skills, upgrading your knowledge, you're going to be left in the past. The third thing is they believe the lie that more money means more hours. They're stuck in this tunnel vision of, in order to make more money, I need to constantly be putting more hours in at work, constantly, constantly, constantly. You don't need to do all of that. You could actually live however you want to. It's your life. You develop these other aspects. So you don't necessarily have to say that I need to put hours in to make more money. Now, income growth isn't just about effort. It's about strategy. It's about asking, how can I increase my value in the marketplace? What can I create, sell, or teach that people need? And the good news is you don't need permission to start. In today's economy, your smartphone can become your best business partner. Like the greatest business partner that you've ever had is right in your pocket. Now, let's zoom out a little bit. Your ability to earn isn't just about you, it's about the world you live in. Let's look at the economic factors shaping income right now. First thing is minimum wage laws. Depending on where you live, laws are changing, and that affects your baseline income. The gig economy, apps like Uber, DoorDash, Fiverr, Upwork, they let you tap into fast income, but with trade offs. There's no benefits. There can be high burnout risk and lack of job security. Automation and AI. Some jobs are disappearing, but new ones are being born. Ask yourself, is my skill replaceable or am I staying ahead of the curve? Employer interest versus your interest. Your boss wants productivity, but you want freedom and purpose and wealth. Don't confuse being busy with being paid for what you're worth. Understanding the system helps you work it instead of letting it work you. I like to say, the system is set up to make you fat, broke, and hopeless so you're easier to control. But once you understand how the system works, once you understand that the system is rigged, you can rig the system in your favor. You can start to play the system like a piano and live your dream life on your terms. Now, are you ready to upgrade your income? You can start with a very simple 3-step plan. First of all, assess your current skill sets. What are you already good at doing? What do people pay you for that you're good at doing? Think of tutoring, think of graphic design, think of sales, think of meal preps, think of cutting hair, think of doing nails. I don't know. Think of something. Think of making t-shirts. Something that you like to do that you're already good at. Assess your skills. Second step, pick one new way to increase your income. You've looked at all your skills. Now look at one way to increase your income. Maybe you apply for a higher paying job. Maybe you start a small side hustle. Maybe you learn a skill with a high return on investment, a high ROI, like copywriting, coding, sales, social media development, or management. You don't need 10 streams today. You can just start with one better stream, one extra stream to align with whatever you already have going on. The third step is to match your income tools to your goals. If you need quick cash, start a gig. If you're wanting long-term wealth, start investing. If you want freedom, build systems and businesses so that you could actually have freedom. Be honest about your season in life that you're in, and then act accordingly. Now, here's your millionaire self-work for today. Write down your current income sources. Identify your number one goal for increasing income over the next 90 days. Comment below, my next stream of income will be, and fill in the blank, right? You already have everything you need to make more money. You already have everything you need to be more successful. Now go prove it. So today, you just learned about the truth about income. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. with strategy, with multiple tools. So smash that like button if you are ready to multiply your income. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Share this with someone who's stuck on one paycheck only and ready to level up. And stay tuned for next video. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Give them that creme de la creme whenever I spit that hot. Ain't no lose or draw when it's the only option. Till I'm balling like Stockton, I'm locked in. Researching the best stock tips. Gossip unless it makes a profit.